Hi friends, welcome to yet another rocking series of With Man Show. This is Vidya with Money. So friends, in the last series I had mentioned that Idukki is the heart of Kerala. So heart is the body part in which our heaven and hell lies, right? Yeah. So friends, I don't know about the hell, but I definitely know the heaven of Kerala. So today in the morning we have started our trip to the heaven of God's own country, Tekadi. So Tekadi is a place which is known for its nature, for its wildlife and for its mesmerizing beauty. So we are in the route to Tekadi and like we can just see and feel how beautiful this place is. We are coming across so many beautiful and mesmerizing places over here, and we are in our route to our resort that we have booked. So we'll be reaching the resort shortly, and from there we'll be starting our exploration. So friends, join to have a great trip together with us. So you can just view how beautiful the way to Tekadi is. I'm just enjoying my ride and the trip so much, and the views over views that I'm coming across is really beautiful. So I'm just waiting for getting over to Tekadi and to just explore the place over there. Friends, in our route to Tekadi, we can see many stalls beside the road. So the stalls have all the refreshments that we get. So we just came to a stall to have some refreshment and had a good refreshing drink. So it was nice. Now we'll be continuing our ride. So when we got to this shop, we have got very introduced to these people, and they have said that how the places are and how beautiful places we have here. So we are very happy, and we also could know more about them. They have made all the idols, which is their hobby, and they have made it very beautifully, which you can see. This shop is situated in between Pala to Tekadi route. Here we are able to see many varieties of bottle arts and drawings, which is really beautiful. So if you are interested to get any of these arts, we have given their contact details in the description. So you can get it you can contact them on your way to Tekadi, and you can get it accordingly. We have reached the resort. This is the place near to Tekadi. It is called as Kumli. It is this resort is in Kumli town. So at the resort, when we came, like in the front, we could see like the resort was looking a little small. So I thought, okay, there weren't much facilities. But when I came inside, I could see a lot more. It was really nice to experience all those things, which we'll be sharing our experience with you all tomorrow. So we'll be showing our resort as a whole by tomorrow in the morning when we get up, as today it's already been dark. So yeah, this is the resort, and as you see here, there's a large area where there is a lot of flora species. There are good trees. There are some monkeys come here and they play in the trees. We could see some when we had just come, and they just ran away in other branches of the trees. So also in this resort, what we can see is like they have decorated the place with a lot of drawings which I really like. It's really nice. The paintings are all like traditional, and every kind of drawings I could see which I really liked, and I was just thinking, oh, how beautiful they had made the resort. So more detail of the resort will be shown tomorrow. So now it's as I said that this is the Pune town. So here there are tomorrow is Diwali, so a very happy Diwali to you all. So yeah, as you hear that there are so many crackers that is blasting over here. So this is also near to the Tamil Nadu border. So after this area it is Tamil Nadu. So yeah, in Tamil Nadu Diwali is really a great festival. So I can hear all lot of crackers, and I'm also really like to burn the crackers and everything. So it's okay. In the next year I will try to burn with all my families and friends. So just loving this place. So we'll get down to the town and explore over there. Come on. Hi friends, a very good morning. So yesterday, as I said, we had gone to the town to explore. So we didn't find much, so we didn't take any video. We went to the town, we explored the town. So yeah, there were shops. So yeah, we just walked, and we had a good walking. So we went to a hotel nearby, and we had a good dinner, and we came back to our room, and we had a good sleep. So as I mentioned, we had checked into the resort yesterday. The resort name is Hotel Crisis, as you can see. So yeah, we had a good sleep over here. So it is a nice hotel, a nice resort as well. So we had a really good atmosphere, and we had really good stay over here. So we'll show you the detail of this resort now. So friends, join. So friends, this is in the front room. This is the reception area of the resort. So just check in. First it was the entrance of the resort. So after that there is a veranda. So we had walked through the veranda, and here it is a lobby. So you can see how spacious and how good it is. Also there are some good books they have kept. We can sit in this lobby, have good time reading books if you are interested. Yeah, and also I could one big peculiarity about this resort I could find is that they have given very importance to the arts. I could see many good paintings and many good idols. So it was nice to discover all these things and just to view all these idols and all the paintings. I really liked it. So it was really nice. So we'll just go to see the resort more deep. Come friends. After covering the veranda, which is covered with arts and good sculptures, idols, which is really beautiful, we have come to the top. So here you can see there are very distinct varieties of flora species over here. So distinct varieties of trees, plants, and everything is found here, which is really nice. Also few animals, mammals come here. In the morning we could hear the chirping sound of birds as well as animals. So it was really nice in the morning. So but as it was little cold, we were little lazy, so we didn't get up. But hearing the sound and sleeping, it was really a nice feeling that we had. So come, we'll check in more. Come. So friends, the walk towards our room was really nice. The resort is fully covered with so many beautiful plants, flowers, and so many distinct varieties of trees which I really liked. Oh, the walk through this resort is only something special that I can say. So the room that we have got is on the top, as you can see. So we are just walking towards our room. So the walk is also a little nice and very good. I'm really loving it. So this is the building of our room. So the animals that I mentioned, that there are some animals that we find here. So that is being posted out here. Yesterday when we came, we could see this one, the Malabar giant squirrel over in the trees, which was playing, which is really nice. Also we could see the Nilgiris langur, which is black in color, which was also really nice to see. Also there are large varieties of birds which can be found here. I really don't know all their names, but it was really nice. In the morning when we got up, all the birds chirping sound, the animal sound also we were able to hear in our half sleep, which was really nice. It was really a great morning that we had here. Friends, this is the room that we have got. This is in the first floor. So I'll be showing you the room in detail now. So just come in. Welcome friends. This is the room that we have got. So you can see it's really nice and very cozy, very comfortable stay we had. The bed, as you can see, is very nice. It is very comfortable. Also you can see that there's an extra bed. They had provided this without asking. Like in other hotels, when we go, we have to ask for any extra bed. If we need to ask them. But here it's already there. So if we are coming with our family, if we have any kids, we can easily make them sleep here and there's no much problem. So yeah, also you can see that very good painting has been involved in this room. I really like this painting. It was really nice. So like they have also given more important to the arts, which I really liked. And yeah, the room is very nice. It's little cold also, so just enjoying the stay over here. So this is the balcony area, which is really beautiful. This is our balcony. From here is really beautiful. I'm really enjoying it. Yesterday, as I mentioned, that we could see some animals. I had seen the animals over the top of those trees. They were playing and it was really nice to see. Also, we can see that here 2 of the chairs are kept, so we can sit with our partner or our family and have some good time in the evening or anytime. Yeah, that is not a case because it's little cold also, so we can just sit and have some chit chat, play games, and it's really nice, right? They have thought of all our comfortable things and they have made it something special for us, which is really nice. Other facilities are also available, like this is a yoga room in which I'm standing, where we can come and undertake a good yoga section with the other people who are over here. So it's really nice, right? Yeah, we can take a package. Also the Ayurvedic spa, all other facilities are also available. So yeah, like foreigners do come here and take all these facilities as a package. So accordingly, if we are willing, we can contact the hotel person and we can book the resort accordingly and take the package. So we'll give the contact details in the description, so you can go through it. friends, the pool facility is also available, which is really like we are very happy to know about this. So we will be just going and just enjoying some time in the pool. Friends, this is the cafeteria of the resort. So friends, as you see, I'm going to have my morning breakfast. So yeah, it is good. I'm going to have bread and jam. So I'll be getting my omelette soon. So there are some fruits also. I have also got butter. Also this jam is made by the owner of this resort. So which is really something special, right? Yeah, so I'm going to taste it, how it tastes, and I'll be enjoying my breakfast now. We have got a great friend here who is staff of this resort. So she's Fina from Argentina. So I got introduced to her. So in the morning she had served us good food and it was really delicious. So I got introduced and got more to know about her. So let's ask her experience, how she's liking Thekadi and how she's liking our Kerala. So Fina, what would you like to say? Yeah.
Okay, so I came a few times India. And I came a few times Kerala also.
Okay.
But I wasn't planning to come to Kumili, because normally when you read like foreigners blogs and Lonely Planet and stuff like that, nobody speaks about Thekadi.
Okay.
So once I started meeting local people, everyone told me, come Thekadi, you will like it. And I came here 2018, I think, 2017.
Okay.
I really liked it. So this next trip that I started on 2019,
Okay.
I was looking for places to volunteer or to work.
Okay.
And I searched directly Thekadi Kumili, and I found this resort.
So you are basically a social worker.
Not social only, because there's an app that is very nice to use to do volunteerings everywhere. It's called Workaway. So there you can search all kind of places. If you like hospitality, I love working in hospitality, for example. So I did a lot of hospitality. I love animals, so I've also been in Himachal Pradesh in an animal rescue center.
Okay.
Then you have social places, all kind of projects. But here in Kumili, because it's kind of touristic place, I found this hotel and they had so many good reviews. And I fell in love with the place.
So how do you like Kerala? What you want to share about the experience over here?
I love Kerala. You know, sometimes I think North India is more 100% India. I think it's more all the places that you see online and all the food and all the festivities. Like Kerala North India embodies all that. So I think normally foreigners, we stay more North India. But it happens to me every trip I come, that once I take that train and I come south, I think, why did I spend so much time in North India? Because Kerala is amazing, Tamil Nadu is amazing also, but especially Kerala, I think. The food is amazing, there's green all over the place. You take a bus, a simple bus, and the landscapes are amazing. People are very gentle, very peaceful. Much more peaceful, I think, than in other places. And yeah, you have many hill stations, you have the backwaters, you have all this culture, Kathakali and theater, classical music. I think it's the best place in South, for me at least.
Yeah, it's really nice that you're liking our place so much. So thank you so much for being a part in our video today. So yeah.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah,
I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, sure.
And subscribe. If you're watching this, subscribe.
We'll be coming again, and then we'll be meeting you for
Yes,
sure.
for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
So we had a great stay in our current resort. So we really enjoyed the stay and all the facilities over here. Also the staff, they were very nice. They had provided very good facilities and support to us. So we really thank them for being so friendly and so good with us. So yeah, with this we are concluding our today's series. We'll catch you in our next series, in which we'll be covering the Tekadi boat ride and other places which we'll be exploring in Tekadi. So friends, stay tuned and keep connected to watch that series. Till that, take care of yourself and have a good health, but don't forget to enjoy your life. This Vidya signing off with Mani. And if you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and to click on the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos. So take care friends. Bye.